Once you have set your marketplace defaults, you will be taken to the XpressGrid. In the XpressGrid, you will find all of the products in your catalog listed on the left-hand side and the rules and settings for your marketplace listings on the right. You will notice here the default settings we set in the previous video. We can now easily change those settings for individual products directly from the grid. Or you can select multiple products using the checkboxes and change their settings via the XpressGrid multi-edit bar. To deselect your checkboxes, simply click the top checkbox. This checkbox can also be used to select or deselect all visible products in bulk. Using the filter and search function, you can select groups of products based on any field. In this example, we're going to search and filter for shoes and select all available results to change their pricing rules. We can then clear the filter and return the grid to its default state. If you can't find the marketplace settings you're looking for, you can expand the column groups or add and remove columns to customize the grid view. If you remove a column using the Customize Grid function, it will only be hidden from the XpressGrid view. The settings and values kept in the columns field will still be kept and synced even when the field is hidden on the grid. Once we're happy with our values and ready to list our products to Amazon or eBay, we simply enable them individually or in bulk and publish them to set the listings live. If you have connected more than one marketplace, you can switch between your connected marketplaces with this tab. The Codisto XpressGrid is a powerful and versatile tool, which we will explore in further detail in the next module. But first, we'll explore some of the other views in Codisto.